Up in the air, down on the ground, in your house, even in the trees. For 25 years, birds have filled our skies with their merry existence and piercing song. But do we actually need birds? The answer is no. Most birds don't have a purpose. Of course, the exception is the toucan. Yet we personify them, we deify them, and we grant them access to our most private moments. And for what? A couple of squawks? To get rid of old bread? Maybe to hear those 3 magical words you've been waiting so long for. But birds will never fill the void in your life that true love, a child, or even a new car can. Just last year, birds bit over 200 million children in the face and in the arms, leaving their trademark figure 8 pattern, proving that birds did in fact bite the children in the face and in the arms. In 2002, a study confirmed the fact that birds are just large wasps, and like wasps, birds do not produce honey or mustard. Famed pilot and staunch bird hater Sully Sullenberger argues that it would only take about 2 weeks to eliminate all birds from the earth, but no one will give him the opportunity to do it. Maybe this is new information to you. Maybe you love birds. Probably not. But just in case you do, let me leave you with this. Birds can fly, but should they? Shouldn't we be able to fly before birds can? The answer is yes. No bird should be able to fly until I can fly.